Hello everyone, welcome back to Fingertips. Data science saw a quick spike in growth in 2021 and in the years before that, especially during the peak of the COVID-19 pandemic, many industries have jumped on the power of data science to add the most value to their products. Most industries hire people with data science and analytical skills more than any other department. Not only top companies have a huge amount of demand for data scientists, but many people also jumped into the data science field. Even some people switch their career entirely from one field to the field of data science. And most of them have this question in their mind, that is data science going to be as attractive and popular in 2021 and the upcoming year as it was in 2021 and in the years before that? The answer is yes. Considering the recent innovations with the help of data science and artificial intelligence, such as self-driving cars, product recommendation system, and different types of IoT devices like Alexa, Siri, etc. More and more businesses are using data insights to provide better customer services that is increasing their profit. Even various online platforms like Amazon, Flipkart, and Myntra use recommendation engines so that they can sell their other complementary products to their customers when they purchase one item from their website. And with this, there is more demand for professionals who can handle large amounts of data in the future. Through this, company will be able to make more profit by extracting the right data, targeting the right audience, and ultimately increasing their sales. With this, you are now aware of the fact that the data scientists are the ones who help companies to drive the most out of their data, which eventually brings out more profit to the organization. So in this video, we'll be introducing you all the essential skills you need to master in 2022 to become a data scientist. It will also have an explanation about who is a data scientist and why should you become a data scientist. We will also explain different job roles in data science. So firstly, we'll see who exactly is a data scientist. A data scientist is a professional who specializes in analyzing and interpreting data. What they do is they use their data science skills to help organizations make better decisions and improve their operations. Data scientists typically have a strong background in mathematics, statistics, and computer science. What they do is they use their knowledge to analyze large data sets and find different trends or patterns. Additionally, data scientists may develop new ways to collect and store data. But are there any prerequisites for becoming a data scientist? And what are the qualification and eligibility? Look, to become a data scientist, you need to have excellent analytical and mathematical skills. Complex data sets should be easy for you to comprehend and use. You should also be able to use statistics like software programs and be knowledgeable about programming languages like Python or R. Additionally, most data scientists hold a qualification from an approved program like we have at our Fingertips. Fingertips have successfully trained thousands number of students in the data science field. We also provide hands-on training and real-time projects of the companies to get you going in your field. Now let's move on to our next agenda and see what all skills you need to master in 2022 to become a data scientist. Skill number 1 is to gain some database knowledge so that you can store and analyze different types of data using different tools such as Oracle database, MySQL, and Microsoft SQL Server. Moving on to the skill number 2, you need to be good in mathematics, or at least you should have knowledge on different topics like statistics, probability, and mathematical analysis. Statistics is a method for collecting, analyzing, interpreting, and presenting empirical data, whereas probability is the measure of the likelihood that an event will occur, and mathematical analysis is all about dealing with limits and related theories such as differentiation, integration, analytical functions, etc. So skill number 3 is about programming languages. Look, you need to master at least one programming language like R and Python, as they are very important while performing analyticals and data, whereas Python is a general purpose open source programming language. In data science, we use Python libraries like NumPy and SciPy. The fourth skill is about data wrangling. You need to have data wrangling skill as it involves cleaning, manipulating, and organizing of data. Data wrangling can be performed by using different tools like R, Python, etc. Coming to the fifth skill, your machine learning concepts should need to be clear as it provides the system the ability to automatically learn and improve from experience without being programmed. Also, there are some algorithms such as regression, naive Bayes, k-means clustering, and decision tree by which you can easily train machines. Sixth skill is all about having a knowledge of big data tools such as Apache Spark, Hadoop, Tableau, which are used to deal with large and complex data that our traditional data processing software will unable to process. Now at the last and the most important skill is all about visualization. Look, you need to develop the ability to visualize results. Data visualization creates a visual display of the results using diagrams, charts, and graphs. Now let's talk about different job roles in data science. We have data scientist, data engineer, data architect, data analyst, business analyst, and data administrator. So let's go one by one and see their roles and average salaries. So the first role is data architect. According to Glassdoor, the average salary for a data architect is around 21,55,000 in India. The roles that data architect play is to analyze the structural requirements for new software and application and develop database solutions. The second role is data scientist. According to Glassdoor, the average salary for a data scientist is around 11 lakhs in India. Now moving on to some responsibilities that data scientists have is they provide solutions and analytics by driving optimization and improvement of product development. What they do is they predict models to increase and optimize customer experiences, revenue generation, ad targeting, and more. Now the third role is data engineer. The average salary for a data engineer is around 9 lakhs in India. What they do is they assemble large, complex data sets, they identify, design, and implement internal process improvements, and then they build infrastructure required for data extraction, transformation, and loading. Now, the fourth role is data administrator. The average salary for a data administrator is around 8,45,000 in India. Databases designs and current databases are updated with the help of a data administrator. They are in charge of establishing and evaluating fresh databases and data processing systems. The fifth role is business analyst. The average salary for a business analyst is around 7,20,000 in India. Business analysts assist companies by planning and monitoring and organizing several requirements. What they do is they establish cost estimate models and verify resources requirements. And the last role is data analyst. The average salary for a data analyst is around 6 lakhs in India. What they do is they acquire data from primary or secondary sources and maintain databases. They also interpret that data, analyze results using statistical techniques, and also develop data collection systems. So with this, we hope that this video inspired you to kickstart your career in data science. And if you are someone wishing to make your career in data science field, irrespective of your education background, feel free to visit the website and explore our courses. Also, you can call us for more details. So wrapping it for now, thank you for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Till then, happy learning.